The world is more connected than ever.
Everything is about trust, on stories that land, on someone who knows how to move people and brands. And that someone can be you.
Me?
In our Masters in International Communication, we don't just teach you the theory.
We put you in the lead. Real clients, real crisis, real impact.
The Masters is a focused English taught program built to develop tomorrow's strategic communication leaders. From day one, you work on real-world challenges. You work in small teams, present to decision makers, and build a professional portfolio that stands out. This is you, working for real companies that need answers now. Jump into real briefs, real deadlines. One moment, you are a corporate communication consultant, saving a reputation or facing a crisis. Next, you're the strategic brand manager, rebuilding trust across markets. When you finish this master, you're ready. Day one ready. You work where things matter.
Big brands, governments, NGOs, anywhere in the world.